systems should be replaced, bro. Drop truck down, drop truck down.
Ahí la mandamos a la chingada, guys. I'm never buying another fucking belt truck. Alright, new vlog, Bandas y Trocas Crunch. A la madre, un pajarito aquí muerto. Damn, bro, R.I.P. I'm about to bury that little dude. Alright guys, welcome back to the Troqueando channel and welcome back to another video. Now guys, we are on that Bandas y Trocas Crunch this weekend, May 24th. We're gonna be out there in Fort Worth, Texas. We're gonna have the booth, we're gonna have the trucks, we're gonna have the giveaway truck as well. And you guys will be able to check it out, see it in person, and also cop the merch, lock in the entries right there at the show. Now, we're gonna be out there, we're on that Bandas y Trocas Crunch, and we're trying to get this truck ready. Gotta get the seats taken out. I already loosened up the bolts. 4 bolts, 13 millimeters on each end. A little hard to see. There's one right there, one on the other side, and then we got 2 more down frente. So this one's already loose, and I've already taken off the harness también, so I'm gonna pop them off real quick. Last piece of the post on the interior. We already got the center console, the custom center console. Ahorita les voy a enseñar la bocina because it's pretty hard to see the speaker. There it is. And we also have the other battery for the sound system there too. So this thing jams, guys. This thing hits hard. Hopefully, whoever was at ATL kind of heard it and knows how this thing sounds. Videos will not do it justice. Hopefully, you guys get to check it out at Bandas y Trocas too. So yeah, guys, that's the last piece of the puzzle right here. Taking off these seats, taking them over to Enriquez in South Houston to get these things upholstered and hopefully get them ready to go for the show. Now, for those of you guys that do not know what this truck is right here, TKO G13, our 2020 F-150 Coyote, officially up for grabs, plus $10,000. So one of you guys could be taking this truck home by simply buying something at Troqueando.com. Something like this. Look, one of the newest drip, the front end on the Coyote. This thing is pretty badass, and this shirt or any other shirt or any other item on the website could lock you the entries for a chance to win this truck right here. So ahí está la mamalona, 3.5 drop, 20-inch by 12 wheeled wheels, and we also have the matching set on a 17 by 12 with a drag pack setup. So if you guys want to take this thing to the track, you guys can take it, or if you guys want to have a nice street look, you'll have that wheel setup as well. Now the front wheels will stay the same, 20 by 5s in the front, skinny, so runners. Miren nomás que agresivas, mira esta cosa. This thing looks really, really good. And guys, a lot of DMs that we get, I want to clarify something real quick. These wheels have to be ordered. They have to be ordered. You can't order these wheels and expect to have them in a couple days. You're not going to be able to see them on the website. You have to custom order these wheels because of the offset. You see, it's got an 8-inch lip. So you got to order them. They're forged wheels. It takes a couple weeks to get in. And then not just that, you have to cut the rear end to make them work. So we've been getting a lot of DMs and a lot of comments on that. This wheel setup, you have to custom order them. You have to go either with one of the vendors that has these wheels that can get them for you, or if you guys want to just jump that step or not even worry about it, hit up my boy Jonathan at Sakata Concepts. He can get you these wheels ordered. He can get you the axles ordered. He can get you the rear end cut and everything fit if you guys are in the Houston area. If you guys are outside of Houston or outside of Texas, still hit him up. I'll put his Instagram right here. He'll take care of you guys in whichever way he can. And you can have a set of wheels like this on your Ford truck F-150. We got similar wheels on the Race Red Coyote, but those you do not have to cut rear end. Now those wheels you can order and you can have in a matter of days and slap them on and you're good to go. So let me show you how those wheels look really quick. These are it. Weld wheels as well, 17 by 10s in the back, no lip as you guys can see. Now these, we got these wheels in like a couple days. And we got the front ones as well, 20 by 7s. Now these are now forged wheels, so that's why they have them in stock and they're ready to go a little bit easier than the ones on the black one. But if you guys are looking for, you know, not wanting to cut your rear or nothing, these are the way to go. And they still look good. 17s in the back by 10s, no lip, 20 by 7s in the front, and the black one has 20 by 5s in the front, and then it has 17 by 12s in the back. You have to cut the rear end on a drag radial, and then we have the street series tires, the street look for it, 20 by 12, which is what you guys just seen right now. It looks pretty good. I don't know, I'm kind of tempted on doing something similar on this red one to kind of make it look like the black one. What you guys think? Order some new wheels, cut the rear end. I think I'm gonna go on red. Yeah, let me know. Drop some comments. Should we do this one? Let me know. But yeah, right now we gotta take off the seats. I'm actually gonna take them on the Race Red Coyote to Enriquez so we can get that dialed in and hopefully have it just in time for this show this Saturday. So we're on that Bandas y Trocas Crunch, guys. So let's get it going. Take off the seats. Alright, seat's all loaded up, strapped down, ready to go. This shouldn't be moving anywhere, but no, just in case. 2 little straps should do the job. So, get some things so we can head out. Oh, if you guys missed out on the video, what you guys think about the new exhaust? Do a little startup. It's not gonna be a cold start, but let's see how it sounds. A little bit smaller than the stock one, but it does have the X pipe inside of it, and this thing sounds really damn good. Right now it's just quieting down a little bit because after I start up, the RPMs go down. This shit sounds good. So if you guys missed out on the video, I'll put it up here so you guys can check it out. Long tube headers, full exhaust, and we're actually pending to go to the dyno to take this one so we can see the results from a Whipple stage 1 stock exhaust, and then just with the long tube headers, full exhaust to see what it puts down, what the difference is. So you guys stay tuned for that vlog. It's gonna be dropping pretty damn soon. But yeah, I think it sounds good. It sounds good. I'm over here all sweating. It's just hot. It is hot, but we gotta get things done. So let's get going. Guys, C's just got dropped off with Enriquez. Now we are on that Bandas y Trocas crunch, and he knows it. So hopefully we get these C's knocked out just in time to take the truck to Bandas y Trocas. So y'all stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the final result. These things are gonna look pretty damn clean. All black leather, silver stitching, silver logo, similar to TKO G10 seats. They look pretty damn good. So y'all stay tuned for the final result. What's up? What's up?
Chilling.
Yeah.
What's
¿Y
going
tú?
on here? What's going on here?
Mira. ¿En qué andamos?
Taking off the injectors, I'm assuming?
They're already off, bro. I'm about to put them back in.
No shit.
Yes, sir. Aquí andamos recio, cuz. ¿Qué traes ahí? ¿Qué traes?
Little package from my boy Fonseca and
Oh, yeah?
Edgar cut. Oaks on deck. She had a mechanic out here working for us or something, you know?
Imagínate que se me caigan.
Hey, that's
Bro,
what's
I am the mechanic, bro. I'm the mechanic. Everything else, shit.
mechanic, face,
Todo el rollo.
content creator.
Content creator here holding the camera and shit. Hacemos lo que podemos y a ver qué se nos chinga, and we'll learn from it. Shit, no, that look good, that look good. But we on that Bandas y Trocas crunch, guys. So we're back. We're waiting for the seats to come in, or for the seats to be done. My boy Enrique working on those. And I got the injectors off the Camel truck because this thing was running on E85 at some point, and we gotta make sure these things are nice and clean. LT4 injectors got pulled out. Already took them to Aces in Pasadena. Shout out to them. They got me fixed up same day. I took them this morning and they're done. I'm gonna show them to you here in a little bit, pero que es madre, güey. It's a shitload of work to take them off.
Gotta get ready for the burnout pit cut.
You see? I don't know. Should we take this thing in the burnout pit or what?
I say we should. Throw it in there with Andres' cat eye. Alpha wrap.
Imagínate, should I? Swap out the wheels in the back and throw it in the burnout pit? I guess you guys are gonna have to stay tuned. So, well, let's put them on right now porque nos acaba el pinche tiempo.
Se nos acaba and I wanna go cruise.
Easy. So before we put them together, again, huge shout out to Aces Performance Exhaust in Pasadena. I'll put the address in the Instagram right here. They got me hooked up on cleaning these injectors, LT4 injectors for the Camo Procharged Silverado in one day. So if you guys are looking to get your injectors cleaned up, go to them. They'll get you taken care of. They don't know Troquendo sent you guys, but these are the injectors on this one. LT4 injectors. Now again, this thing was running on E85 at some point. Right now it's actually on 93. It's on a flex tune, so I can run both. But the previous owner, the guy that actually built this truck, told me that he had a feeling that one of these things could be clogged up because it sat for a while on E85. So I didn't want to risk it. Took them off, get them cleaned up, and they came out good. So mira, ahí están. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but they pressure test these and make sure the flow is good, and the flow was good and everything was good to go. It's kind of like a little insurance on it, I guess you can say, just to make sure everything's flowing good. Last thing you want is to have some hiccups with the fuel, and then you have some more hiccups with the engine and stuff. So got this thing ready to go. It wasn't that hard to take everything off. Definitely more work than an actual LS. You gotta take off the whole intake, because these are direct injection, so they go down there instead of a port injection, which actually go on top. If this one was port injection, I would have just taken off the ones on top of the Holly on the fuel rails, and they would have been good to go. So a little bit more work, pero no pasa nada. Probably about an hour's worth. So what we're gonna do is put everything back together, clean it up as much as we can, and hopefully have it up and running right now here in a few. Is all while we wait for the seats to get done on the Black Coyote sitting over there. We gotta get working on this one porque the crunch is real. So let's get it going. So far so good. So we had a little bit of air in the fuel rails. That's why it took a little bit to start. Next thing up, we're gonna get this one detailed tomorrow morning, get it loaded up, and get it ready for Bandas y Trocas. So hopefully the seats are done as well, so we can slap those on and head over there. So we're good to go on this one. It sounds good. Oh yeah, sounds really good.
Hey, bro, hey, where you at? Hey, I need you to come to the birria place, bro. Dolph truck down, Dolph truck down.
Ya la mandamos a la chingada, guys. First pull, runs good, dies. Chingao.
No es la mandamos, la mandé. I wasn't driving.
La mandé la chingada. Let's see if this thing will turn on. God damn, pinche suerte, güey. I said it once before, I'll say it again, but this time I'm gonna do it. I'm never buying another fucking belt truck. Never. Mira.
Corre más conmigo atrás, güey.
Sí, güey. On this episode, te los... Huélete la mano que huele a...
Nah, bro, I heard you were fucking over there throwing salt on us and shit.
Oh, sí, güey.
Sí, ¿verdad? No nos podemos ir because they're like, oh, where'd they go? Oh, they took the Dolph truck? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna fuck that up.
Was Edgar out too?
Nah, I did ask where y'all went, and everybody was like, they took the Dolph truck. I was like, to where? They're like, to go get a drink.
You know you
Like,
can't do that, bro. We haven't even blessed this truck yet. Con una
güey,
bendita.
esa troca, güey, llegó de Atlanta, se parqueó allá y se quedó ahí 2 semanas. And then I decided to take it apart last minute. I had 2 weeks to fuck with this truck. And I decided to take it apart last minute to clean the injectors, put that together. I don't think that was the problem, though. It's either, how we're talking about right now, it's either the motor locked up or the transmission. This thing was running just fine. And then nomás llegamos aquí a la esquina, güey, y se apagó. It locked up y se apagó. Estoy que pasándole cables como si when you're in the hospital, like, clear.
Hey, cuz, you never know. The battery pack might be out of juice or something.
Nah.
It don't sound like a battery.
It don't sound like a battery. No, we're gonna have to see if we can turn the
Whose Gatorade is whose is what I want to know.
oh, anything is random.
Oh, that's my Gatorade, my boy.
Oh yeah, that one.
That's my Gatorade.
I thought you said it's random.
Well,
How the fuck
it
you
was
gonna say
random,
it's
but he needs to
random?
call it. Look, he always goes for that one. What is this one?
This is the fierce purple.
He's like, I want the fierce one. I'm like, all right. So I got him the fierce one, and then he's like, no, hold up, I want the fierce grape. Fierce grape.
No, I
Hey,
didn't say grape. I said
I like how he
purple.
asked Fonseca what he wants in an exam.
Bitch, he went with me.
Fonseca was there, bro.
Yeah. And actually, he chose another color, and then he went for the purple one. You know, agüitas. I was gonna get you some beer, but we know we had a lot of work. So.
And now we got more work.
Now we gotta take this bitch apart again. Cause Juan.
I don't know, bro. It was acting up. As soon as we left from here, it turned off, and that's why we took the scanner with us to figure out
And you
what the hell
called
was
it,
going
bro, in that last vlog.
on. What?
And we're like, you know, Edgar's the graphic designer. I'm the social media guy. And Juan was like, I just step on the gas and break shit.
I just break shit, güey. I just...
That was foreshadowing right there.
For
He fucking
real.
called it.
Y lo que falta, güey. Y lo que falta.
Get a load of this guy. Please, at the show, do not touch any of the trucks, please.
Bitch, I do all of them at the same time.
You done fucked up my baby already. I ain't even drive it yet.
And you're not gonna drive it, bro, until it's A1. I gotta test these bitches out. Si conmigo, güey, con patita liviana, because we didn't even fucking step on
Liviana
it.
my ass. Your pata's like twice my fucking weight,
He
dog.
recorded it, bro. He didn't even fucking... We weren't even on it. ¿Sí o no? Al chile.
We were fucking on it, bro.
Shut the fuck
We were on it, guys. Don't let him lie to you.
Shut the fuck up.
I thought we were gonna fucking.
He had to have been on it for it to fuck up.
I thought we were gonna fucking eat the
Hey,
curb, bro,
Juan.
on the last pull.
I just
Shut
want to let
the
you
truck was
know.
just going left and
There's
right.
no more fucking space in the living room for any truck, dog.
No hay pedo. That's why I'm building a bigger living room. The shop goes into progress, or gets started here in the next few weeks. So, foundation, mira, quita la rebar. Quita la pinche rebar. You guys want to watch some content on the shop being built? Let us know in the comment section below.
You know what I'm saying?
No, just put your victim right there.
Big thumb.
Yeah. Put your butt cheeks, bro.
Hey, that's a good idea. That way I can sit there, dog. It'll be my seat.
Como dice este way, get a load of this guy.
So if you guys want to see this truck running again, I need everyone watching to go buy a shirt.
Please.
Support the cause.
Support the cause.
Si no, se va a quedar yonkeada como fucking Draco.
Any pastors or priests watching us now, please come bless Juan before he drives this motherfucker.
Hey, bitch,
again.
what the fuck, bro? I'll be driving all these fucking whips. The OG.
Nomás
Chale.
porque no quema y quema aceite, güey. Por eso no las mandado a la verga.
Este vato, güey. Ese es Sierra, bro. Ese no quema aceite.
Si quema, güey.
No quema aceite.
All you gotta do oil change
As a matter
in.
of fact, the last time I did an oil change on that thing,
How long ago? Tell people how long you've neglected this drug.
It wasn't even this decade, bro.
it wasn't, bro. That was back in 2015 or 16.
No, hey, bro. You know
Hey,
what's
bro,
supposed
but
to
I don't
say?
even drive it.
You know, it's like every 3,000 miles or a year, or
Yeah. Nah, mames, güey. Go check out the oil. Let's go check the oil on that bitch. Let's go check the oil. Fuck it.
Hey, so is that what I hear? Does it have a cam, or is it just?
Hey,
It's just fucked up too.
Can we see how you raise it and drop it with the bags or not?
You want to see how I can raise you and drop you?
Hey, you gonna drop it?
Cut it.
No, no pasa nada, güey. No pasa nada. We're gonna have to break this bitch apart again. See if it's a transmission or the motor, pero pues ni pedo. Shit happens. We're on that crunch time. We got the injectors cleaned up. We thought it was gonna be the injectors that was the issue. Último salió que no. We got them cleaned up. They tested good before. We went ahead and well, I mean they were already in there, so go ahead and get them cleaned up and shit. Y valió chichis de gallina. How do you learn?
By fucking shit up.
By fucking shit up.
You think we learned by now, though? You think we've all fucked shit up?
I fucked up a truck.
You fucked
Not
up
as
a
many
couple
as Juan
trucks.
though. Juan holds the fucking
You
record.
fucked up the Ram. I fucked up the second Lightning.
Yeah, he didn't blow no fucking motor. He a
You
drunk
didn't
driver.
fuck up the second lightning. What you mean you fucked up the second lightning?
The grill.
That was the first one.
First
That was the first lightning.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
you're the reason why we stopped driving these trucks to the shows, because this one will make it to fucking Fort Worth without a problem.
Not with you driving.
So what's it gonna take for us to stop letting you drive the trucks?
¿Sabes qué, güey? I quit. I can take them. Go ahead. Take them. What time was it again?
Quitting time.
Clock out time.
Quitting time.
Y'all figure it out. Alright? I'll see you tomorrow.
Nah, hombre. Yeah,
That's cool. Just go ahead and leave your little clip with all the keys. I'll take care of it. You gonna catch me in Dallas by the night. Hey, let him drive the Type R. See what happens.
Fuck no. Fuck no.
You guys do it
Hey.
like I did this morning, dog.
How'd you do this? Sound like you stuttering.
Yeah, turn this guy into the vape master now.
Yeah, dude.
Este vato no puede comer porque he's vaping at the same time.
I don't vape.
Se anda pasando el pollo and he's vaping.
It's all Fonseca's fault, guys. He made me try a white gummy ice when we went to go deliver TQOG 10. And ever since then, I'm a vape fiend.
With just $1 a day, you can save this guy right here. Because next thing you know, he would talk right there like a robot.
Click on the link right here.
I'm gonna be like,
Click on the link on the bio.
hey, I'm gonna be like, esto tú no lo tienes.
No, I want to hear you say, get a load of this guy.
Get a load of this guy.
Bueno, ¿qué dicen? The more we stare at it, the more, the faster we get fixed.
Yeah.
Ni pedo.
Yeah.
Shit happens.
If you want to sponsor some work for the free,
You wanna get a little shout out?
hit us up. Hit us up.
Oh, mami.
A little shout out?
We gotta figure out what the hell's going on with this one. Either it's gonna be the transmission or the motor, so we're not gonna have time to do it today. Or for this weekend, ni modo. RIP to
Why you
the...
tripping?
Or
Hey,
next week.
What?
Pull out the phone. We about to make a reel right now. I'm gonna call somebody to come fix it. So.
Este vato.